People often ask how much whole life insurance is going to cost them. When we talk about term insurance, it's easy to figure the cost because you decide on the amount of coverage you want. I want 500,000 or I want 1,000,000. And then we use your age, your health, your lifestyle to figure out how much that's going to cost you. That's easy. But when we're deciding on whole life insurance, we need to make sure that it's affordable for your whole life. So rather than figuring on the coverage amount, we look at how much can you afford to pay. Now, we often use the 10-20-70 rule where it says 10% of your income is yours to keep. That usually is a comfortable, affordable place to start to look at a whole life insurance policy to fit your needs. But I always say it's kind of like going to a shoe store. You don't just run in and grab a pair of shoes. You want to make sure the shoe fits. So oftentimes people say, well, I want to do big things with my finances. And so they want to get a shoe and they say, hey, I think I want this one. This may be good, but you would want to be a size 18 to comfortably fit in this shoe. This is a size 18. Now, if your foot measures size 18, this is a great foot to try. This is a great shoe to try. But if it doesn't, it's going to be uncomfortable. You're going to slip out of it, or if your foot is bigger, it's going to be tight and cramped. So this is only a good shoe size if you're size 18. And what this translates to is if your budget is this size for a whole life insurance policy, this might be perfect for you. Now, other people say, well, I want to pay as little as possible. And so they want a shoe like this. But if your budget is only this big, that might work for you, but try walking around in this shoe if you have a bigger foot, a bigger budget. If you want to accomplish things with your finances, you're not going to be able to walk very far in this shoe. Now, this would make a great shoe for a child. But if you're not a child and you want whole life insurance on your life, this isn't going to work for you. We need something that fits you. We need something that's going to fit your shoe size and is going to fit your purpose. You want to go climbing or hiking? You probably want a shoe with some good support, nice traction, rather than a shoe like this. This would not do well with hiking. However, if you've got a formal occasion, this one will never do. So you see, your size, your budget matters, and so does the purpose of your life insurance. Your life insurance policy needs to fit your needs. It needs to be affordable and comfortable to you. Now, if you are considering purchasing a whole life insurance based on a lump sum, maybe you've got a lump sum in your savings, maybe you have received an inheritance or sold an asset, have a retirement account that you're liquidating, well, that's something different. We measure for that a little bit differently. So if you're interested in getting life insurance, whole life insurance that is going to meet your needs for a long period of time, your whole life, then please contact us. We can help fit you for just the right size policy.